Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we're going to be cooking, if you can call it that, from dory greenspans around my French table. It's strawberry season. We had a bunch of strawberries we need to use up, and I had some goat cheese that I also needed to kind of use up in my refrigerator. So I found this recipe, goat cheese and strawberry tartine, and that's what we're going to make today with these ingredients. No cooking, because we bought this, we bought that, and these are optional. So a tartine is basically an open-faced sandwich, a piece of bread with stuff on it. They use this as like a snack, kind of a light lunch. We had breakfast a little late. We're gonna have dinner, I don't know, maybe a little early. So we're gonna have this in the middle. I bought this baguette yesterday. It's not as crusty as it was yesterday, but I'm not going to worry about warming it in the oven and recrusting it because I think it'll be fine since it wasn't sliced. But we're going to slice this about 1/3 of an inch thick. It might be more like half. It doesn't matter. You do what you like. I like slicing my baguettes on the bias. I think they're prettier. But as I spread a soft, spreadable goat cheese onto one side, I'm going to place them on a plate just for, you know, pretties. You can spread as much or as little as you want. If you don't like goat cheese, my husband will not like this. Well, he might tolerate it. We'll see. He doesn't love goat cheese. If you don't like it, you could go with some cream cheese if you want to do something like this. We've got our strawberries that have been washed and capped and sliced in half, and I'm just going to put a few pieces on each one just to cover it as much as you want. Got some smaller ones, some bigger ones. I think that'll be good for us. Now, the only other thing is she says it's great with some syrupy balsamic vinegar, aged balsamic vinegar. I don't really have any syrupy stuff, but I'm going to put a little bit, well, this is aged, but it's very, it's not super syrupy. But I'm going to put a couple of drops on there. There we go. Can barely even tell that's on there. But I also bought this balsamic reduction, which is also has sugar in it. So it will be extra sweet. So I'm going to try a couple with that. And then we'll have a couple plain, and we will try all of these and let you know what we think. So I'm going to take a picture. We're going to give them a try, and we'll come back to show you what we think, or to tell you what we think. Everyone's tried it at this point. We all thought it was good. It's a great little snack. Have it with some wine. I'm having a little bit of a sweet wine that a friend of my sister made quite a while ago. But we still had a bottle left. It's summer and I was looking for something sweet, so that's what I went for. Have what you like with it. Beer, wine, whatever you like. It's a great little snack. Very easy to make. No real cooking involved. And I think the ingredients really make it. So get the best bread you can find, the best strawberries, the best goat cheese, and it will be even better. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this. I enjoyed eating it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and come back and watch me make something else next week. Probably with a little more cooking this time.